Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upload HD videos on TikTok. So to do that, you're just going to select the plus button over here. Then you're going to just upload a video. And once you press next, you're going to scroll down and make sure you enabled allow high quality uploads. And that's basically how you can upload like more high quality videos on TikTok. Once you're done with that, make sure you select post. And hopefully the video you upload will be high quality. I also want to mention that your videos will need to actually be like HD before you do this. This just enables it to, I guess, upload in a more high quality on TikTok. So keep that in mind. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!